Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Top most important analytic on YouTube is your engagement. How can we get people to leave comments? How can we get them to like our videos? How can we get them more engaged? This is a powerful analytic. How many people are showing your video some love by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, sharing it out? Those are powerful analytics. And what I found on my channel, one of the main ways to get people to leave a comment is to be specific in it. And a lot of channels, they'll say, leave a comment, hit the like button, share it out, but they won't say what the comment can be about. And what I found on my channel is leaving a specific question, asking a specific question will get people more engaged on the video. Just like I did earlier, I asked to leave me a comment if you have received that A/B testing for your thumbnails. So that's being specific. So that's a powerful way to get more people engaged when it comes to comment. Instead of just saying comment below, be specific about what they can comment on. Also, another thing to keep in mind is that by leaving comments or being specific about what people can leave comments on, it also encourages collaborations. A lot of other content creators are starting to collaborate more with other content creators just by being specific in the comment section. So even if you just use that one tool, this one metric right here was well worth it. Just that one tool. When you ask for a comment, be specific and see how it will improve. If you've enjoyed this video so far and it's giving you value, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let other people know this video. It'll definitely let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button. Thank you. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been on YouTube, but you really haven't been doing the thing. You really haven't been creating content, or maybe it's stagnant and you might just be ready to take your channel to the next level, maybe to get it back going again. I want to share this video with you right here coming up on the screen. I think there will be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers, those who are funding the channel with your income. You keep the lights on here at Next Level. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.